rat's nest here, but as you can see, I've got an old transformer, and that bad boy is old from my youth. And I'm not young. But you can see the power goes out of the transformer, goes into the poor man's throttle, goes out to these clips here. This is not part of it. Goes out to these clips and goes to the rail. So, and right now you can see that I've got the transform. I'm going to turn it here. I'm going to turn it on. You can see the poor man's throttle is running, and it's solid blue. That means it connected. And the power is full throttle. You want it to be full throttle, but you'll notice the train's not running. Now, I'm going to show you the app and start running it.